Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use American Express and GCash. Using American Express with GCash is easy as long as your account is fully verified. Start by opening the GCash app and confirming that your profile is verified, since only verified accounts can link international cards like American Express. Next, go to your profile and head to the My Linked Accounts section where you can add your American Express card or register for the GCash American Express Virtual Pay option if available. Once linked, you can cash in funds from your AMEX directly to your GCash wallet, use your balance to pay online, shop, pay bills, or buy load, and even transfer funds to a bank account or withdraw through supported channels. Keep in mind that fees may apply, including possible foreign transaction charges, and cash in limits depend on your GCash account level. For online shopping that requires a US billing address, the American Express Virtual Pay card is a useful alternative, while standard card linking simply requires entering your card details, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.